Guys, look at those lights. That's those ones you can buy online. You can even change the colors of them. It's like the ones in my earlier video that you'll see that I got behind the TV. He bought a big set for the garage. And it does really light up the garage. Look at that. He's changing colors on it. It's a bigger cord than what I got around my TV. Nice, huh? And it does really light up in here. Look, that's the white one, and it looks like he turned on a light in here. It does brighten up the whole garage. You don't even need like lights, even though he does have them in here. It's nighttime and he wanted to try them out while it's dark. So that's the colors. He's just flicking through, see which ones are nice, which ones are better. He usually sticks with his blue. He likes the blue. But anyway, it's pitch black outside, so now with those lit up, he can see in here way better. Because daytime you can't really see them. Now what you see here is an open spot. He's going to buy more and go right around the other way behind us. But he said he can't do too much here because right there is where the front garage door slides up, so you can't block that off with lights. It'll ruin them, right? It'll bust them. But here, above those beams, like not that railing, but over that way, he can put more. It's a nice night out tonight. It's cold, but it's not that cold. I can see one star in the sky, that's it. Can't really pick it out to go with my camera. But it's a nice evening out. I just wanted to go out and show you guys those lights. It's the same as the ones that are behind my TV set. It's a way bigger cord set. And he's going to buy more to go right around. Now it lights up his whole garage. And there's my little Sook waiting to go in the house with us.